Hello, this is a Bullis Student Tutors video. And in this video, we're going to go over quiz 8 practice number 7 and how to solve this. So before we get into that, we should analyze what we have here and what we've been given. So we've been given the length of CI, which is right here. CI right there is equal to 4.25. And we also know CD, which is 5.7. So let's just draw two lines here. Now CD is important because that's our radius. The radius is going to be very crucial in our ability to solve. Now, additionally, we're going to solve this through looking at right angles, because right angles are something that we know how to solve. So when I'm just looking at this problem, I see a couple things I can add. First off, I'm going to draw a line between CD, because that's the length we were given initially, and that's our radius, and that radius is equal to the length of GD, which is also equal to the length of DI, because they're all radius. Also, it's equal to DJ, because that's a radius also. So that's a very helpful first step for us, because we know the length of the radii. Additionally, we can conclude that GI is equal to CI. And we can do this because if you look at the points, JC and GI are parallel lines. So we know that these two lengths between CI and GJ are equal. So now when I'm looking at this, I know that right here is 5.7, this is 5.7, this is 5.7, so is this one. But we're not going to look at those right now. We're going to focus on this triangle right here, as this triangle will give us our height. So when we're looking for our height, we're going to cut this in half. Now right here we have a 90-degree angle because we cut that in half. And then right here we're going to have two 45 angles. This is going to be a 45 angle and this is going to be a 45-degree angle, because we knew right here that is a 90-degree angle. So when you bisect that angle, that becomes 45. And then when you look at this triangle right here, you'll also be able to conclude that this is a 45-degree angle through other calculations, but we're not going to go into those right now. So we know that these are 45-degree angles right here, which means that we can use our formula for a 45, 90 angle. So 5.7, if we label this h, 5.7 divided by root 2 is equal to h. So h is approximately, if we plug this into our calculator, 4.03. That is major in our quest to find our answer, because we can now find the top height and the bottom height, and we will be able to get our area through doing that. So let's call this right here A, and let's call this right here B. We're gonna have an easy time finding B, because that's just 5.7 times 2, because we know the two radii, and the diameter, which is GI, is equal to 2 times the radius. So when we do this, we're gonna get 11.4. So GI is equal to 11.4. And then for JC, we were if for JC, knowing that this triangle right here is a 45, 45, 90, you know that this side has to be the same length as this side. So we can know that 2 times 4.03 is equal to JC. So JC is equal to 8.06. So now when we plug this into our equation for the area, we can go 11.4 plus 8.06 divided by 2 times 4.03, which will equal our area. Let me erase right here. Which will equal area of JCIG. And now when you plug this into your calculator, you get 62.19. So this is equal, is approximately, 39.21. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any further questions, please go look at the Bullis Student Tutors webpage, as there are a lot of videos there which can help you refine your skills in the geometric area. Good luck on your exams.